I've got no license left, cause I drove against rut. This is how things go when I'm on the road. Drive like I'm all alone and think I run the show. Cause I got...
Hey guys, good morning. This is my Tuesday. This is my Tuesday morning. I am trucking myself to work. Thus far, seems like the trains are running. Looks like all is moving. It's supposed to stop at 12 o'clock. We're supposed to get a couple of inches of snow. But guys, this is what it's like living. If anybody doesn't know what it's like living up north, this is what up north looks like. It's like we get, of course, my umbrella. Just look what my umbrella just did. Look. If you want to know what it's like living in New York, and it just did it again. This is what it's like. We get all seasons. We're an all-season place. It could be hot as heck, and then it could snow. It could snow like this. And I thought maybe we weren't going to get any snow this year, like a big accumulation, but it said no. Here you go. February, let it snow. We almost to March. Let's just throw it in there. So guys, let me go ahead and get across the street. It's slushy, nasty mess. I have my boots on. So I'm just trying to be careful because the roads are very slippery and everything. It's not a lot of cars out here, to be honest with you. So probably a lot of people is like, I'm not effing with this. I'm not going to work. But I said, let me try and get there. And push come to shove. If it don't happen, at least I tried. You know, especially because it's going to stop at 12 o'clock. Now, if it said it was going to snow all the way to like tonight, then I'd be like, nah, buddy, you'll see me tomorrow. But look, guys, nobody is at the station. Not a living soul. Not a living soul is at the train station. So this is interesting. Maybe everybody is inside. I don't know. We'll see.
Rest your forehead down onto your mat. Or if your fence to support you, turn your body to the left again, to the left again, and you'll be sitting on your left hip with your right leg crossed over. Slowly fold forward. Feel your belly press into your thighs as you breathe. Relax your shoulders and hips and melt into this pose. Pull your knees together and into your chest for a full wind pose.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy and blessed Friday. I hope everybody is doing well and having a glorious Friday. I am so happy that today is Friday and I get to have a 3-day weekend. I don't know when it was the last time that I had a 3-day weekend, but I'm very, very, very happy about it. And I do not know what's on the agenda. He took off on Sunday. So I know that he wanted to do something this week. I don't know how that all is going to transition because this week is cleaning week. So yeah. But I'm doing well. I'm doing well. I'm doing very well. I gotta figure out, now that I'm thinking about it, I gotta figure out what we're gonna do. Since it is a 3-day weekend, I was like, I had this whole agenda in my head, like, okay, I want to do this, I want to do that. I did the same thing last week. I was like, oh, I'm going to go ahead and wash the car, which was not done. I'm like, I'm going to go ahead and, like, I don't even know what's the other things on my list, but I think the only thing that I did on my list was go to the thrift store. That was the only thing that I did actually do. So we'll see how it goes for this particular week. Right now, I'm just parking up so that I can get myself to the train because, of course, you know, I'm running for the train like normal. Yesterday, I almost missed the train, guys. I was so happy that the guy had waited for me because he often sees me. So he had waited for me and everything. So I was very happy about that. But guys, I'm going to pick you back up once I figure out what I'm going to do for the rest of today. I may pick you up today or I may pick you up tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure. But we'll basically see how it goes. All right, guys. I will talk to you soon.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention.
Hey guys, good morning. Happy and blessed Saturday. I hope everybody is doing well. Let me sit down for a second. So guys, I'm in my room. I am cleaning up from the work week. You know how like sometimes you just come home and you just throw everything in the room and then you're like, oh, I know when I get to the weekend I'm gonna have a chance to clean everything up. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now, is resetting my closet just to clean out, you know, whatever things that I just threw in there that just don't need to be in there. I also pulled out some things that I need to wash as well too. I tend to just go through my closet when I know I'm going to be doing the load. This week I'm going to try to get all the loads done and folded and put away because this week is a 3-day weekend. I don't know what I'm getting myself into this weekend. To be honest with you guys, I don't know what it is. I'm just feeling very like meh. I'm just feeling very meh. And I'm trying to do things to, you know, just uplift, you know, my energy and everything. But I guess I just gotta go through the motions. I don't know. I'm watching a whole bunch of well, not a whole bunch. I started watching my YouTube folks, everybody that I watch on YouTube. Because that's always like really helpful, watching other people's lives and kind of just, you know, peeking my head in and everything. So I'm doing that. So that's been enjoyable as I'm catching up on that. But this week is pretty much, or today is going to be pretty much cleaning day. I'm trying to, it is right now, I think, let me see. I don't even think it is 7 o'clock yet. It is 6:43, guys. And, I was like, my goal is to be done with this house by 12 o'clock. That is my goal. Clean all the bathrooms or bathrooms upstairs and downstairs. Cleaning out my room. I have to do like the kitchen and everything. But I did do like a pretty thorough, really clean a couple of weeks ago. So I'm not too stressed out about things, you know, being like not in its proper place or not wiped down. I'm just going to do another cleaning, but it's not going to be as intense as it was a couple of weeks ago when everybody was over here at the house. I don't know if you guys do that, you know, because I normally like pull out the couch and I clean behind the couch and I clean, you know, behind the TV stand and make sure all that is clean. That's not something that's necessary for me to do today because I've already did that a couple of weeks ago and I doubt that there's anything too crazy back there. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like we clean and it's kind of like, how can I explain? I watch like these cleaning channels and everything. Like even though you clean, there is still going to be dirt in your home. For me, I just try to do the best that I can. My house is not dirty. You know, my grandmother, she raised me as when people come into your house, you want to make sure that your home is clean and you want to make sure your home is smelling good. So my house never smells. Even though I have Kirby, I make sure the house smells good. I make sure everything is clean. But this house is huge. So trying to stay on top of, well, not, this house is larger than mine, but for me, this house is big, you know, and I just try to do the best that I can. So I just say that all to say that if you're like old, you know, I guess in a sense before I used to do like an OCD type cleaning where I was like really trying to like clean every single day, it's just not gonna happen.
It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on.
So guys, let me know in the comments down below how often you clean. I clean every 2 weeks and I just honestly feel like a clean environment makes me thrive better. Also, I remember my grandmother growing up, her telling me, you never know when somebody is going to drop by your house. So therefore, you need to make sure your house is clean. So I always like to make sure that things are wiped down so that if anybody ever comes over unexpected, at least I know that my house is looking the way it needs to look. Plus, a disorganized environment just is not the business for me. So, yeah.
For me, if I turn away to flee, oh, but there's something holding on. I need to stay. It'd be easier for me, oh. But there's something holding on with the way of being long gone.
This dog won't let me live. Yes, you. You. Trying to eat my food and look. Right in my face. Say hello, Kirby. Say hi. Say hello to the people. Besides stare at the camera. See? He wants to get on the couch, but he knows he can't get on the couch. That's why he's looking like that. Hey guys, how you doing? It is much later in the day. Right now, I'm just headed to go out. Me and Babe are just going to the store, running our errands and everything. And yeah, I have to get that done. We're feeling good. I took a whole nap today, guys. I took a whole freaking nap that honestly felt amazing. It felt amazing just to pause for a second and everything. But I'm feeling much better, guys, than this morning when I woke up, because I just woke up feeling like who did it and why. And I got the house clean. You guys should have saw a little bit of that. And after that, I just ate and I just took a nap. So right now I'm trying to figure out something to do with this hair. Just putting it in a headscarf. I'm gonna throw some earrings on, and that's gonna be that with that. Me and Bae are gonna go to Aldi. I'm probably going to go to Walmart as well too, guys. I wish I could. This material that I got for this headscarf, it's good, but I feel like sometimes it's too stretchy. So I'm trying to just find the right thing to do. You know what? We're gonna do it like this. I'm gonna tie it like this and put it towards the back. So we're gonna go to Aldi. We're gonna go to Walmart, most likely, because I have to pick up a couple of things from Walmart. And then we're going to go to Home Depot because we need to pick up some salt because it keeps snowing and we ran out of salt. So just pretty much we're going to just run errands and everything. I just really didn't feel like doing a whole lot of today, to be honest with you guys. I don't know, it's just I think I need to just keep myself centered in the home and just here and everything. But I'm gonna take you guys with us. Hopefully I can get a little bit of footage of us outdoors and running our errands and stuff. So I hope that you guys, stay and you do enjoy. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with this sneaker. That's why I keep taking it off and putting it on. Yeah, so that's pretty much that with that. This is what we wearing, black on black on black. It's nothing special, guys. I'm gonna throw a hoodie on over this, and then this is gonna be what it be and everything. I got my sports bra on as well too, just make sure. Don't know why I'm telling you guys that, but I didn't feel like wearing a bra today. Don't know why I'm telling you guys that. TMI. All right, guys, let me figure out what hoodie I'm gonna throw on. All right, guys, so I put this hoodie on. This is just a regular pink hoodie. I'm putting some of this medication on my ears, guys. I feel like my ears healed, and then I put some headphones on, and then it started to form a bump again. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these piercings, but I'm trying to get these bad boys healed and everything. So guys, let's go ahead and get outside. Let's see what these streets are looking like. Hopefully it's not a whole lot of people outside and we can get what we need to get done and then get back. Ooh, need to put on my wedding bands. Just gotta get one of those. He's raised the price. Powder juice. I'll be right here. Yeah, everybody's ready. Hey guys, so they are opening up a unique, literally right by my house. I am so freaking happy right now. I was just passing by and look, I'm trying to figure out what time they're open. Approval for plumbing. It says station closed, but all the stuff is inside. I'm trying to figure out when they're gonna open. I'm gonna knock on the door and see if the guy is able to tell me. All right, guys, I'm trying to see what I see. It says open 11 to 4 donations, but it doesn't say anything else. I don't think they're open yet. We're gonna come here. It looks like we can see that everything is here. It's freaking amazing, guys. I'm so happy. All right, so we're definitely going to be coming back because I don't see any store hours here, and I think that they're right now just putting everything up and stuff. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my ACV rent wash day. Guys, when I tell you that this shocked me on what was the end products of this ACV rent, OM freaking G, guys. But let me go through what products I used to do the ACV rinse. So now I filled up my sink, I want to say about halfway. I mixed it between hot water and cold water, more hot water than cold water. I had put in, I want to say about a cup and a half of apple cider vinegar. Nothing too special or anything like that. Just some regular, good old great value apple cider vinegar I threw in there. And then after that, I put in some baking soda. I want to say it was about a half a cup of baking soda. And the water started to fizzle up. So I was like, okay, we must be doing something good. And then after that, I had put in a little bit of lemon juice that I had left over. It wasn't much left of it. And I put that into the water. I saw somebody had did it on YouTube, so I was like, okay, that must be helpful. So let me go ahead and throw that in there as well too. And then afterwards, I put my locks into the water. I want to say I did a ACV rinse for about 20 minutes, and I am happy with the results and everything. But at the end of this clip, you're going to see what the water looks like. OMG, guys. If you have not done the ACV rinse before, I want to say try it out. I don't know when I'm going to do my next one, maybe 6 to 8 months from now, give or take. We'll see what happens depending on how my hair does feel. But I definitely suggest it if you do have locks. And I even suggest it for people who have natural hair and everything, because I know that it helps with people, who have natural hair and not necessarily in locks. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. I hope that you do enjoy this part of the clip or part of the video.
I will not bow down. Keep putting me off, I'm not gonna change my mind. Your headstrong forward, but this time around I'm taking my time. Don't push me, I'm not coming down, I'm not giving up. Oh, don't rush me, I made up my mind, going straight to the top. Am I the only
Hey guys, so I finished washing my hair and did an ACV rinse. I should have showed you guys what my hair was looking like before, and I forgot to do that. So my apologies, but I did an ACV rinse on my hair because my hair was feeling very, like a lot of product was inside of it. And I was like, before I retwist for this week, you know, to last me hopefully the next 3 weeks, 4 weeks or so, I wanted to do an ACV rinse. Like I felt like a lot of product in this lock specifically, and now I don't feel like there is, as you know, the product is not there anymore. So I am happy about that and everything. So I'm just going to do a retwist. It's gonna be very just retwist back. I think I may do like a half of a style, like just for the front part of my head. You know, we'll see how it goes and everything. But I only washed my hair once because I felt like the ACV did strip a lot of the dirt that was in my hair. Now normally I do wash my hair 3 times, but because I did that rinse, I only did it once. But my hair, my scalp is feeling clean as well. I was doing the ACV rinse because also, as you guys know, I suffer from dry scalp, really bad dry scalp. I think, I'm gonna be honest with you, I think I may have like a form of some type of like skin ailment. I don't know. Especially with just the second set of locks for some strange reason. I didn't suffer from this when my hair was just loose natural. For that short period of time that it was loose natural. But I'm just trying to manage it and everything like that, and get my hair back in order. But I know when it's really dry, because I'll start to feel like patches, like especially like in the front. Like right now I really don't feel any patches, so that's a good thing. But I'm gonna retwist. Now I'm using the same product. I'm not going to show you guys me retwisting or anything like that. Maybe I'll show you like a couple of things at the end of the video, or towards, not the end of the video, the end of me retwisting. But I'm using this product here. This is the Black Castor Miracle African Pride. I'm going to be using this to retwist my hair. The oil, I changed up the oil to another type of Palmer's oil, so I'm going to be using this one here. This is the Palmer's coconut oil with vitamin E, coconut oil, hair, and scalp oil. So we got that. I have obviously clips and everything. I got a couple of rubber bands, so I could do like a little style in the front, but we'll see how it goes. And then I have my spray right here. This is actually a mousse that I use at the end of me styling my hair. So that is the plan. I got all my snacks and everything. Let me show you guys my snack plate. Guys, this is my snack plate. I got my tea over there. I got some great value tea, just some regular lemon tea. And then actually this is lemon and ginger, and this one is lemon tea. Got some pretzels, some cheese, some turkey pepperoni, and this is our snack situation. And then also I'm editing right now. Well, I've already edited the video. I'm just going to be making sure that everything export properly. I'm using this new software. I used it before, Filmora, I believe it was called, but I've been having issues. Let me turn the camera around. I've been having issues with like the editing part. Like sometimes the images will basically be still. So I'm trying to figure out how to, you know, alleviate that. So I made sure I watched the videos before I export it, or well, I exported, but before I import it to YouTube, I made sure everything is good before I do that. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much get started. I'll see you more towards the end of me styling my hair or retwisting my hair and everything. All right guys, I'll see you later on.
Come and wake me every night. You say you missed the concept of you and I, you and I. You come and wake me every night. You say you missed the concept of you and I. Catch my head in the earthquake, collect my spine when my disc breaks, when my disc breaks. Catch my lungs, give me air, give me some peace, oh darling please, oh darling please.
Hey guys, so I am officially done with my hair. So this is what my hair is looking like. Let me go turn the light on. Is that a little bit better? It's a tad better. So this is what my hair is looking like, how it came out. It is dry. I've been underneath the dryer for a minute. Let me turn around. I hope you can see. I turn like that. So you can see the length and everything. It's starting to get long. It's now down here, like, be honest with you, it's like mid-back, I want to say. So, yeah, I'm going to go in with this hair oil. This is just the hair oil from my last retwist. You guys should have seen this before. This is the Palmer's Shine Therapy. So I'm just going to spritz some of that on my hair. But I did use that Palmer's scalp oil for my retwist. So, but I just want to have a little extra shine. So I'm spraying this on my hair. And then pretty much I am going to put my scarf on. I am done. I'm happy. The retwist came out really good. Even hubby came in the room. He was like, oh my gosh. He was like, your hair looks so cute and everything. Like, you know. So I was like, thanks. I'm happy about that. I'm just happy that it is done. Hopefully the style lasts for a little bit. I figure what I can do is like, I did the little front like this so I could just pull up the hair in the back. I could put this to the side if I want like a little style hair. So I'm thinking that this should, you know, be versatile, I guess you can say. I don't know why I keep retwisting those, but yeah. Then my little baby lock is hanging in there. It's a lock, but I just needed to get some length, so it was kind of just sticking out, but it is what it is. I am, guys, I cannot find my scarf. I don't know what I did with it. I think I put it in the wash. So I am going to be using a pair of old tights that I was using as like a headscarf. It's ghetto. It's ratchet, but I'm going to be using this to lay my hair down. And then I actually bought a bonnet yesterday. So I am going to put that bonnet on as well too. But I don't like to just directly put the bonnet on my hair for the simple fact that the oil gets onto the bonnet and then it bleeds onto my pillows. So I don't like when it does that. So this is the reason why I like to put a scarf on first, or some type of cover on first, and then put the, you know, the bonnet on top of that. So, I mean, you wouldn't even know it's a pair of tights, to be honest with you guys. So you guys should have seen this yesterday. Hopefully, if we caught the recording properly in the video, because Babe was recording for me. So, I just bought little cheap bonnet from Walmart. It's nothing special. It's probably not gonna last very long. I go through these bonnets so fast because what happens is that the elastic that is here, this starts to give. So once it starts to give, it comes off my head. So these last, I want to say maybe 2 months tops, and then I have to buy a new one. So that is that, guys. We are done. We are covered. Right now, I gotta go downstairs because I actually knocked over my plant. The ZZ plant that you see right here, I knocked this one over. So I need to replant that and put soil back into that plant because I knocked it over when I was trying to get my little station over here situated. So we gotta go ahead and put some soil back in that plant. All right, guys, I'll see you when I get downstairs. CPR. Okay.